Okay, I have had this case for a while, and I've had this Octobuddy for a while, and it works amazing. So if you ever want to take videos or photos, and you can literally just stick your phone to a window or a mirror and it'll just stay there. Really been happy, but I want a new case because I just wanted to switch it up. So I had to get another Octobuddy. So I'll just show you what they look like. So I got this one. It's called Fire Nova. I got it from Amazon. And we're going to go ahead and put this in here. It's another purple one. I like purple. And then this Octobuddy, show you, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's stuck to a window. These things are amazing. And I do a lot of videos like that, or take photos if I need to take photos of something. So it's got a sticky back, and then you just peel it. It's a little bit stuck. You want to make sure you get it all off. I'm not sure where. Just that piece there. Okay. And then I'm just going to put it kind of right in the middle, right there, firmly. And then I'm going to show you how it sticks to a window. Okay, so here is the new phone with the Octobuddy, and if I want to stick it to this window, it literally just sticks like that. And then I can shoot my content in there when I do a video. Just like that.